Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn new chapter 4, looping statements in Java. A programmer sometimes don't want to repeat a set of code. Instead, he may jump or branch to another set of instructions based on certain conditions during the execution of a program. A program control flow is not a linear sequence of instructions. Looping statements in Java. What are looping statements in Java? Looping in programming language is a feature that facilitates the execution of a set of instructions, functions repeatedly while some condition evaluates to true. Okay, what is looping? Looping in programming language is a feature that facilitates the execution of a set of instructions or functions repeatedly while some conditions evaluate to true. Until the condition is true, will check. Okay, then what is loops or looping in Java program? Just look here. To print the natural numbers from 1 to 5, what is the program or Java program for printing the natural numbers from 1 to 5? You will have to write println statement for 5 times. See, for printing the output 1 to 5 on the screen, you have to write the command 5 times. Suppose you want to write 100, the numbers up to 100, or the natural numbers up to 1000, or the natural numbers up to 1 lakh. Imagine the length of the program. The program will be very lengthy. For avoiding or to overcome the difficulty or such situations, we can use the loop or looping statements. For avoiding this kind of situation or difficult situation, you can use the loops or looping statements. Types of looping statements in Java. Okay, there are 3 types of looping statements in Java. How many types of looping statements? There are 3 types of looping statements in Java. While loop, do while loop, and for loop. These are the 3 types of looping statements in Java. A loop program has 2 parts. Every loop program has 2 parts. What are the 2 parts? First one, body of the loop, and the second one, the condition specified. These are the 2 parts of loop program. Then loop statements. These are the 3 loop statements: while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Then what is while loop in Java? The while statement or loop continuously executes a block of statements while a particular condition is true. How the while loop is working in Java? The while statement or loop continuously executes, one by one a block of statements while a particular condition is true. Okay, up to the condition is true, the block will be executed. The while statement continues texting the expression and executing its block until the expression evaluates to false. Continuously checking the block. If the answer is false, the program will terminate. This is the working of while loop in Java. Okay, see the syntax of while loop in Java. This is syntax of while loop. The syntax to use while loop in Java is given below. While, we can use the condition, then use the brackets, statements, and this is the closing brackets. This is the syntax of while loop in Java. Okay. Then see the flow chart. Start, test condition, false, true, body of while loop, then exit while loop. See, what is this? This is the flow chart of while loop. How the while loop is working in Java, that we can very easily understood from this flow chart. See the flow chart. First program is starting. Okay, we are giving the command to start the program. The test condition is there. Test condition. If the test condition is true, the next line will execute. True, then body of while loop that will execute. Then again go back to text condition. Again check the condition. True. Then coming down. Then again go to text condition, check until the condition true, the process will continue. If the test condition is false, see the next line false, that will exit while loop or the program will terminate. This way the while loop is working. Okay, see the example of while statement or while loop using while loop. I write one program here. It is a looping statement which executes the block of statements associated with it. The program is executed until a condition specified in it stands true. Okay, until it stands true. Then see the program. What's the program? Program to print that 5 natural numbers. It's a simple program for printing or getting the output of 5 natural numbers on the screen. First program. See, class while, public, static, void, main string, arguments. Then is the format. See the format. While writing, you have to follow the same format in Java. Int n is equal to 1, while n less than or equal to 5. Okay, see what is the condition? Here the condition is n less than or equal to 5. When the condition is false, the program will terminate and you will get the output on the screen. Okay, until the statement is true, the program will run. Okay, start. N is equal to 1. Is n less than or equal to 5? Yes. Then print n. Print n. It will print 1. Then program it will not terminate. Going back, n is equal to n plus 1. Again check the condition, print n. Now what is the value of n? It will be 2. So n plus 1 is equal to 2. Then again check the condition, print n, it will be 3. Then next go to check and the condition, n is equal to print n is equal to 4. Then again going back and check the condition, n is equal to 5. Then print 5. Then again going back and check the value, n less than or equal to 5. The statement is false or no. Then the program will terminate. This way the while program is working, or while loop is working in Java. The next one is do while loop. What is do while loop? The difference between do while and while is that do while evaluates its expression at the bottom of the loop instead of the top. Therefore, the statements within the do block are always executed at least once. Therefore, the statements within the do block are always executed at least once. Note that the do while statement ends with a semicolon. The do while statement ends with a semicolon. The condition expression must be a Boolean expression. This is about the do while loop in Java. Okay, do while and while loop. Some difference is there. Then syntax of do while loop in Java. What is syntax? The syntax to use the do while loop: do bracket statements, closing bracket, then while the condition, then closing the bracket or closing the program. Okay, see the syntax: do while, then do is there, then open bracket, statements. Okay, check the statement n less than or equal to 5. Okay, the statements will be there, then while condition and check. Then do while loop flowchart. Start body of do while loop. Okay, body of do while loop. Then check the statement, test condition. Test condition is true. Again going back, body of the program that will execute or that will run until the condition is true. Then if the condition is false, the program will terminate, or that is exit do while loop. Exit do while loop. See the example. One example is here. Print the first natural numbers, first 5 natural numbers. Same program, print the first 5 natural numbers. The earlier it was using while statement. Now do while statement is used here. Public static void main string arguments. Then end n is equal to 1. Then do. End n is equal to 1. Do. See the difference of the program. System out print ln n plus plus. Then while n less than or equal to 5. Here the condition while n less than or equal to 5. So check the condition. If it is yes or no, then going back and again execute all the steps one by one. Then it is yes, okay, less than or equal to 5, yes or no. See the condition. If it is false or no, the program will terminate after getting the output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the screen. You can see the output on the screen. 1 to 5. After that, the program will terminate. Okay. The next for loops. Next one is for loop. Loop statement. 3 loop statements in Java. While, do while, and the third one is loop. For loop in Java. The Java for loop repeats the execution of a set of Java statements. A for loop executes a block of code as long as some condition is true. Okay, a for loop executes a block of code as long as some condition is true. If some condition is true, then the block of code will continue. For loop in Java. Then syntax. For initialization, condition, increment, decrement. Then statements, closing. This is the syntax of a for loop in Java. See the syntax. Okay. For then initialization, condition, increment, decrement. The next statements. Then closing of the program, closing bracket. Then for loop in Java. How the for loop is working in Java. First start, then condition checking. Okay, in there we'll check the condition. If the condition is false, condition is true to answer. If it is true statement, then in the statement going back again check the condition true or false. If the condition is false, if false condition is false, the program will terminate. See example. Public static void main string arguments integer num is equal to 3. Okay, the variable num already defined one value is there, 3 in the integer, two variables mul and n without value. The name of the variable is mul and n. Then 4, okay, using the looping statement is used here. For n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, n less than or equal to 10, n plus plus. Check. Okay, n is equal to 1. First n is equal to 1. Then n less than is equal to 10. Check the condition. N less than or equal to 10. Then n plus n. The condition is yes or no. Okay, here what is? If the condition is true, 10 less than or equal to 10. If the condition is true, then add 1 to n, n plus plus. Then what will print? Mul is equal to the variable mul is equal to num into n. Num into n, the already num is equal to 3, then n is equal to 1, then you will get the answer 3 into 1. The next time the condition will check is n plus 1, n plus 1 is equal to 2. The next time the value of n is equal to n will be 2, then num into 2 means 3 into 2, you will get 6. The next time the value of n is equal to 3, then you will get the answer 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Okay, this way you will get the answer up to 10. What will be the output? You will get the output on the screen. 3 into 1 is equal to 3, then 6, 9, 12, up to 30. You will get the answer on the screen. This way the for loop is working. Okay, then key terms. Break statements. What is break statements? It stops the execution of loop and transfers the control next to the end of looping block. Break statement. Stop the execution of a loop. 3 types of looping statements are. How many types of looping statements? 3 types. While statement, do while statement and for statement. These are the 3 types of looping statements in Java. We already discussed it. Then for and while. For and while. These are entry controlled loops. For and while loops are also called entry controlled loop. Then one more is there. What is do while statement? Do while statement is called exit controlled loop. Then do while statement. It is a looping statement that checks the text condition at the end of the statement block. It will check the text condition at the end of the statement block. Okay, the 3 looping statements are there. Their working is different. Then continue statement. It is used to skip rest of the statements in a loop from where it is placed and restart from the beginning for new value of increment, decremental value, increment or decremental value. Okay, I hope that you understood the small chapter. Yes? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.